Hey guys, what's up? It's Janvi, and for today's video I thought of doing a DIY phone case tutorial, and this is honestly going to be such an easy video because the phone case is super easy to make. I just had a really cool idea and I thought I'd share it with everyone, and I was just really inspired by the caution tape designs I've been seeing everywhere. And I know the trend started by the brand Off-White, which is super cool. I'm really obsessed with it, and if you haven't heard of them, definitely go check it out. You're gonna love it. And yeah, I didn't really copy their design, but my phone case is kind of their aesthetic and it reminds me of the brand, so that was my inspiration. So yeah, if you want to know how to make this yourself, then just keep watching and let me know if you like it. So this is what I ended up with, and I know my phone case already had the camouflage print over it, but I feel like even if you just had a clear phone case, the caution tape would look just as cool, if not cooler, on it. So yeah, to start off, you want to take a Sharpie and some yellow ribbon. I got this from some craft supply shop, and some double-sided tape. So to start off, you want to cut your ribbon into smaller pieces, and yeah, just make sure they're still long enough to fit across the width of your phone, and just figure out how to arrange them. And I kind of wanted to overlap mine a little bit because I thought it looked cool. Once you've done that, hold the ribbons down and just go over the edges of the ribbon where the phone case ends and cut along those lines to make sure the ribbon fits perfectly, because my phone case had kind of a bumper on the edges, so it gave me a little boundary to work with. For the next step, what I did was just use some caution tape as reference, and I kind of made it a little simpler because the ribbon is really small and you can't fit a lot on there. So yeah, just make those lines on the top and bottom, and I actually used some crazy glue and put it on the edges so it stopped fraying. And yeah, just write caution on all three of them. And yeah, once you've done that, then just take the pieces and arrange them on your phone how you did before. And that shouldn't be too hard to figure out because you did cut them according to exactly where they fit. Okay, so for the next step, what I did was I took a pen that I could easily scratch off later and just marked exactly where the three of the ribbons went because they kept moving here and there and I didn't want to lose their position again. Okay, so then just take some double-sided tape and put it on the back of the caution tape we just made and put it on the phone right between the lines we just made with the pen. And also, don't forget to scratch off the pen from the sides. So I actually wanted to see if I could spray paint the caution tape to make it last longer, but that was a really bad idea, so don't try that. And yeah, this is how it turned out, and I'm obsessed with it, and I hope you like it too. If you enjoyed the video, then make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.